Hello. Today we're going to learn how to grease your slides and put oil on the valves. So when it comes to greasing the slide, you're first going to want to make sure that you press down on the key of the valve that you're taking out. So for this one, you're going to press this for this valve. And you're going to want to make sure it comes out just smoothly like this. Once you take it out, you're going to want to wipe any excess oil that might be on it. Until you feel like you've gotten all of the excess oil out of there, or grease. Then you're going to take a finger and get some grease on your finger. And you just spread it around on the slide using your finger. And you're going to want to make sure that the amount of grease you use is very small. You don't want a lot on your valve. Once you're done, you're going to put it back onto the instrument. And the way you're going to do it is the same way that we did it before. You're going to press down the corresponding key, and then you're just going to put it right back into its case. And then you can't see it from here, but there's a little excess oil. And what you're going to want to do is use the same paper towel / rag. You're going to want to wipe it. Just make sure you get it all off the instrument. And there you go. That's how you grease your slides. Now, for French horn, you're going to want to remove the valve cap to put in the rotary oil. So let's do that first. And this is what it looks like. You're going to put the cap on the side for now. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your oil here and you're going to put it right in the crevices right here. And I'm using rotary oil because this is a rotary valve instrument. Then you're going to want to twist, or not twist, you're going to want to press down on the valve key so that it seeps into the crevices, because what will happen is it'll cause crustiness if you don't allow it to seep in. I'm doing it on the fourth trigger, but essentially you would just press down on whichever one that you're working on. In this case, mine would be the fourth. You're then gonna put the valve cap back on. And then you're gonna flip to the other side. And since we're doing the fourth valve, you're gonna wanna look this part of the back here. There's a little crevice that we want to make sure that we put as well as the cap. It's going to be this little guy, this little crevice right here. And you're going to want to make sure, again, it's a small amount of valve oil. You do not need a lot. And you're going to want to make sure it's on its side so that you can see the little crevice that you're putting the oil in. Then again, you're gonna You're going to continually press the valve key so that all of it can seep through. And then that's it. That's how you grease your slide, and that's how you put some oil on your valve.